If you're looking for trolley school bags for kids, this video is for you. My name is Lily, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click the circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, Most Popular, by the Grazia. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Handcuffs. Number 3, by Bazaar Pirates. Get your favorite trolley school bags for kids now. Just click the circle in the corner. Number 4, by Toys Bhoomi. Number 5, by Bazaar Pirates. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.